Welcome to Cox Connections, a link between you, our customers, and what's happening in the community we share. I'm Margaret-Hunter Wade, Public Affairs Manager for Cox Roanoke. Since 1996, Kimoyo Ltd, a Roanoke-based nonprofit, has worked to better the lives of people in Binaba, Ghana, a village in West Africa. The region once had no running water and extremely limited medical care, if any. Due to the resilience of its people and the efforts of Kimoyo, the region has seen better lives and the successful opening of a fully equipped medical center servicing 90,000 people in 22 communities. Joining me is Kimoyo's founding board member, Kathy O'Keefe. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
So nice to see you, and such an accomplishment for this organization. But tell us kind of how it got started and really what your mission and vision is.
It actually started from two churches in the Roanoke Valley, St. John's Episcopal Church and Kingdom Life Ministries International. And we took a joint mission trip in actually 1996, 1997, and out of that trip we felt like we could come together and make a difference in the area we saw. The area was extraordinarily poor, and young people, the death rate by malaria was extraordinarily high. And we thought we could have an impact, so we started Kimoyo Ltd, which is its own nonprofit 501c3 organization. And our mission is twofold. We have a very strong mission here in the Roanoke Valley that has to do with education, where our focus is creating an appreciation for cultural diversity. And then we have a program that's equally strong in Ghana. Now we're located in the town of Zebla, and we have major projects there, which include a medical center, an internet cafe, microfinance, and also soccer literacy.
That's amazing that this organization has such wide-reaching, breadth to you. So let's break down kind of those two components a little bit more. So the international side of it, just tell us a little bit more about those projects.
The international side, the key or the center focus of it is the hospital there. It's actually called a medical center. We opened it in 2003. It has been running ever since. We see close to 1,500 to 2,000 patients per month. It is a real boon to the community that we're in. Sure. It also services people far away as Burkina Faso, Togo, and surrounding countries that come. We have ultrasound machines and things that you don't normally find in such a rural area. Other programs, the microfinance is dear to our heart. We have put 134 women with business loans into business, and now they're their own proprietors. And we've just seen a vast change in empowerment as far as the women are concerned, capacity to pay for school, and also health care, which is essential in a rural community.
Sure.
So we've seen tremendous life come out of that. And I guess our other major program is the soccer literacy program. It's directed towards junior high girls, because girls are the least educated in the rural areas. Normally they become farmers at the age of about 15, and that's their life. And so we started a soccer literacy program. We've added other courses now for an hour worth of literacy training, technology training, math training, science training. We will provide an hour's worth of coaching in Ghana's #1 pastime, soccer.
So the link. So for my understanding, you're based here, but you're doing this work there.
Absolutely.
Do you have a full staff that's...
We have an administrator and full staff at the hospital, and then we also have a project manager who takes care of the other projects.
Wow, that's incredible. And then on the flip side, you're doing great work here. I assume a lot of this is not only awareness, but also some opportunities to raise funds to be able to support these programs. But from an awareness perspective, you've got some great programs. Tell us about those.
Our largest program, actually, the seed money came from Cox Communications. Many years ago, I think it was about 2003, and Cox gave us seed money to start what we felt was very necessary, which was an after-school educational program that would address cultural diversity. And that grew to a partnership with Roanoke City Schools over time. We're now in the 21st Century Grant Schools, which means we're in 10 schools in the Roanoke Valley, and we probably see 255 kids per week. And our whole point is to broaden people's understanding of Africa, particularly the areas we're most concerned with, which is in Ghana. We also have some connections in Kenya. And to let people understand a little bit about the culture and the diversity of it, and the artistry that is ancient, and the math that is phenomenal. Yeah. And this is the essence of our program, and now we're trying to expand that just beyond the school systems.
Excellent. And then you do some soccer, the Kimoyo Cup here And I guess, is that a nod to your program there? How does that work?
It does. It connects. We started partnering or collaborating with Roanoke Star City Soccer, and it's been an amazing collaboration. They have grown to over 100 teams in the Kimoyo Cup over the last 5 years, and we have been the benefit not only of financial donations, but of tons of soccer equipment. And we take all of those soccer equipment, I don't care whether they're shoes or shin guards or shirts, the whole jerseys, soccer balls, and we take them back to this area. And I can't tell you the change that it brings.
Excellent. I'm sure that's one of the best gifts that those children get.
It's a tremendous gift. Smiles beyond belief.
And then I think something the community is going to be very excited to know, if they don't already, that you all are bringing back probably one of the most loved events that you all have done and been known for, and that's the annual celebration. So tell us what's kind of brought that back and on the books for this year. Well,
the Kimoyo event served two purposes. You know, it was not only a fundraiser, but it also got our name out in the community, which is very important. And this year we're just absolutely delighted because we're bringing the Blind Boys of Alabama in concert, and they're 5 Grammy Award winner season with them, and we're just looking forward to reestablishing that connection and that kind of sense of celebration with the community at large.
Absolutely. Well, you all have so much going on, and I'd love for folks to know how they can get involved with you all, support your programs. What's the best way for them to find you?
Well, they can certainly find us on the website. You know, it's just www.kimoyo.org.
Okay.
They can contact us at info@kimoyo.org. And we're open to financial, of course, but we're also open to ideas. We're open to, if they want to help out, if they want to go to Ghana, if they have medical experience, any of those areas, we would be very grateful for any contact they wish to make.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, and appreciate your sharing this wonderful information with us.
Thank you very much.
You can learn more about Kimoyo and how you can help by going online to the website on your screen. And coming up, the Renaissance Academy is enriching the lives of young African American men through Christian values, valor, civic leadership, and camaraderie. Stay with us.